Today we are going to see what is it inside the L'Oreal Advent Calendar for 2021. So if you are interested to see what is it inside and also where you can purchase this hot Advent calendar, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, so I received today this very big box. It's long and slim, and this advent calendar by L'Oréal Paris contains 24 full size or deluxe size items from L'Oréal. I know last year they were having a L'Oréal brands advent calendar, so they were having more of their premium brands, but this contains only L'Oréal Paris makeup, and I think they also have skincare inside. I have seen a bit of a sneak peek because I purchased mine from Amazon Germany, but I have seen it available on, so I will link everything I can find available at the time when I'm editing the video. I will link down below in my description box. So now, because I don't like long intros, especially when it's about unboxing and unboxing advent calendars, and because I am as curious as you are to see what is it inside, let's crack it open. So I have this cuticle pusher because we have that type of drawers that we have to push. Okay, day number 1. This doesn't help, and I don't have any manicure, so I cannot take it out. If all the calendar is like this, I think I'm going to stay here until midnight to film this unboxing. Guys, so the products are sticked inside. Day number 1, this is from the Infallible 24-hour lipstick, liquid lipstick and balm 2-in-1. So we have a liquid lipstick that it has this applicator and it's a lovely red, and we have a balm like a moisturizer in the other end. We are starting strong with a beautiful lipstick, but not so strong with opening the packaging. Day number 2. This is no sticks. This is the Infallible More Than Concealer. Let me pull mine, and I have the exact same shade, Ivory. This is not a really good idea to put a concealer foundation that not all the people can wear. I'm going to open mine. So it has a big doe foot applicator. Now I want to say that this is by far my least favorite product from L'Oreal. If I was thinking if I really have a unfavorite product from L'Oreal, and this must be this concealer. I know that many people love. I don't like it. I find that it's really heavy underneath my eyes and doesn't last all day on me. So it might be just me. Day number 3. Ooh, it's a lippy, which is again glued. So I don't get why some products are glued and some of them are not. This is the Color Riche lipstick in the shade Rose Thunder. This is a very lovely packaging. This looks like a shade I'm not going to wear, so I'm going to insert a swatch from the web. Guys, I forgot to tell you that this advent calendar retails in Europe for 69.95 euros. Day number 4. Something small, maybe another lipstick. This is a Color Riche number 349 matte lipstick in the shade Paris Cherry. Actually, this looks like a shade I might wear. It's really lovely, it's gorgeous. I have something similar in my collection, so I'm going to insert a swatch. Day number 5. Another lipstick. This is a really beautiful shade. This for sure I'm going to use. This is also from the Color Riche range. It's a matte lipstick in the shade Erotic. Moving to number 6. It's here. Judging from the size, it might be a face or eyeshadow. I do not have any L'Oreal blush, and I think it's also from the range Color Rich. Doesn't say. So it's blush 120 Rose Sandal or Sandalwood Pink. It's coming with a tiny little brush, a mirror. How cool is that? And here is the peachy pink blush. Really pretty. I love it. Guys, as of now, we only have full-size products. So day number 7. This looks like a lipstick again. It's in the shade Haute Rouge 347. Really, really gorgeous shade. Day number 8. It's here at the base of the Eiffel Tower. I don't know, you can tell. I'm going to tilt it so to show you. Ooh, day number 8. This is like a sample. It is written in German, or this is Dutch. It's their Wonder Oil. This is a really lovely for your hair. I would prefer, to be honest, to have a small bottle, not this type of packaging, which by the way has 3.5 milliliters. So I think you can apply it 2 times and you are good to throw it. Day number 9. It's here. Okay, this looks like a pencil. This is a lip liner from the same range, from the Color Rich range. Beautiful shade, number 124, s'il vous plaît. Day number 10 seems like another lip or eye pencil. So this is Le Liner Signature Eyeliner, Noir Cashmere. Oh, it's automatic. It's really black, and I have some friends here on YouTube that really love this pencil. I think Mel loves this pencil and she's a big fan of L'Oreal. Day number 11, something huge, not huge but bigger. This is the Lash Paradise limited edition mascara. I have the US version of the Lash Paradise, so I want to do a comparison anytime soon on my channel, but I think it was open because I see that it's dirty, so this is not nice. Oh, and the brush, it's different, so for sure this is subject for a comparison, so I think I'm going to do this anytime soon because I already opened it. Day number 12. Whew, I got it. It's a perfect slim eyeliner. I butchered the door. I was not able to open it. So this is a liquid liner with a very slim and precise tip. I think I have had this prior. I don't remember exactly, but I know their liners are really good. And I actually love the packaging. It's really luxurious. If you will not tell that here it's written L'Oreal, you will think that this is like 80 bucks liquid liner. On the top of the Eiffel Tower, Tour Eiffel, if you want to say in French. I'm excited about this. I see that we have a Volume Million Lashes Mascara, another full-size product, and I never had or tried this mascara. So another mascara that I need to try and add it to my huge mascara collection. Maybe guys you would like to see my mascara collection, my non-open mascara collection. I can also show you the one that I have open. Day number 14, another big product. I almost broke it. So this is the Lash Paradise waterproof mascara. Okay, I never had their waterproof mascara. This is not dirty and it's a really gorgeous tube. I'm not sure if I'm going to open this or maybe I will give it away to a friend. I would love to try it, but again, I repeat, I have a ton of mascara that I need to try. Some of them even from 2 years ago or so. Day number 15. I love this. I love this. This is the Elnet Hairspray Intensive Volume. So this is a hairspray and we have 75 milliliters. So this is the second travel size. This is like a deluxe size. really good for travel. I don't know why I sprayed because you cannot tell, but I'm not using so much hairspray, but the Elnet is my all-time favorite. Day number 16. This is Plump and Set Brow Artist. It's a clear brow gel and has a tiny little brush. This morning, actually, when I did my brows, I was applying a gel product and I was looking inside my drawers for a transparent brow gel, and I found that I don't have, so this really comes handy. Day number 17. It's here. This is an eyeshadow. I thought that it's a highlighter, so I wanted to read, but the actual label was sticked to the packaging. So this is oil eyeshadow in the shade Queen Satin. Day number 18. Another big product. Look at the size. This is a no frizz serum. Are you kidding me? My hair is frizzy all the time. And this looks like a full size. It has 100 ml, so it has all the chances to be a full size product. Day number 19. Day number 19, it's a travel size of their LÓreal by Super Liner. So this is a kohl liner. Another black liner. Now I would prefer at least one of those kohl liners to be in another shade. Day number 20, it's here. And this looks like another blush. No, what is this? Let's find out. It's a pink, like a salmon pink. Oh, this is really smoothing. So it has instantly blurred my pores on the hand. So this is a blurring primer. I've never heard about this. I do not have too many things from their Age Perfect range. I love the foundation, the serum foundation, but I do not have so many products. So yeah, this is really lovely. Day number 21. This looks again like a liner. Victory! This is another lip liner. Let's see. They look really similar. Okay, this might be a little bit more nude, more rosy, actually more light in the shade Bois de Rose. And I'm going to insert a swatch. Day number 22. We have it here. Something big. Oh, maybe an eyeshadow palette. Oh guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I managed to crack my thumbnail. Of course, what you could expect. This is a face mask. So this is the Revitalift Filler Plus Hyaluron Sheet Mask. Everything is written in Dutch. It's not even in German. So this is a Hyaluron Serum Face Mask. Day number 23. I've seen it. I swear I've seen it previously. Something round. It's something good. I've also seen Mel mentioning this product in her last video. So this is the Age Perfect eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow in the shade Vibrant Beige. So this is like a pot and it's gorgeous. This is like one and done shadow. And the last day, day number 24. Ooh, this is something big and square. Maybe you have a bronzer. Let's pray for that because I want a bronzer from L'Oreal. And indeed, this is a bronzer. So this is Brands to Paradise in the shade Back to Bronze. Doesn't have any smell and it's completely matte. So I'm going to insert swatches. This is the last day, day number 24, a full-size blush. So actually the value of the calendar, I think it's huge. From me, it gets a 2 thumbs up. I think I'm going to give it 9.5 out of 10. Just because I was struggling with the packaging. I want to be very honest with that, and I'm really angry that I broke 1 or 2 nails. But yeah guys, that's it. This is the L'Oreal Advent Calendar unboxing for 2021. What do you think about this Advent Calendar? Do you think it's something that it will satisfy your makeup addiction? I think this is by far my favorite Advent Calendar, even more than the one from Catrice. I'm going to dig for the prices for the full-size products, and I'm going to make a estimated value, but I say from my humble opinion that I paid $69.95. I didn't pay for shipping, and I think the value of the product inside it's over 200 euros. So I got a lot of bang for my buck. I got a lot of bang for my buck. I think I said it correctly. So let me know guys in your comments down below what was your favorite product out of everything. I think I have too many favorite products to tell you. Maybe my favorite, the Age Perfect Pot bronzer. Also love it, love the blush. I don't have a bronzer or a blush from L'Oreal, so I'm happy that I got a lot of products to try from their range. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm planning to bring you more Advent Calendar unboxings here on my channel. And other than that, I hope you'll stick around and you'll join for more videos like this. Thank you so much guys for taking the time to watch, and I'm going to see you again really soon. Bye! Do you see guys? It's here, but it's damn difficult to take it out. Another spatula job. I cannot get it out, so I got a lot of back for my bank. I cannot say it. I cannot say it. US people, help me. Okay.